2020 Honda Civic. OEM condenser, aftermarket, cheap piece of crap. Or insurance companies like to say, economy-like equivalent parts at a lower cost to save the customer money. You're in good hands, and all that other bullshit with their OSI manufactured 9001 or whatever bullshit they have, and a piece of paper they could refer you to saying their specifications might have been tested and it meets or exceeds OEM like quality. Bullshit. 44 cooling tubes. If you count the refrigerant cooling tubes going around, the passages, there's only 44. Original equipment, 53 cooling passages for refrigerant. Fins per inch, 21 fins per inch. Fins per inch, forgot to count them. In 1 inch, this was 16 fins per inch, 21 fins for every inch. So for every inch, they're cheating you out of fins. Multiply that by how many rows. That's how they save money. That's how they give you a cheaper price. They give you a cheaper product. You get what you pay for. Subcooling passages. These are the important ones that after it goes from a vapor and it's still a mix, where it's a liquid down at the bottom, you must cool this liquid. And this is the job of these last few cooling passages. They gave you 6. The aftermarket only gives you 5. You get cheated, and you get cheated. Robbed, raped, stabbed, left in the side of the road for dead. This is what happens when you buy cheap aftermarket condensers that are not equal to OEM. And so that's what it's simple physics, dudes. You cannot cheat physics. You cannot cheat math. You have less surface area, you don't get the same amount of cooling. In San Francisco and cool climate, customer will never know the difference. Going anywhere hot, that's where your head pressure goes up, stress on the compressor goes up, more engine horsepower is needed to drive the compressor, less cooling capability to the passengers inside, because you buy cheap pieces of crap like this that are demanded by your insurance company. And let me see if I could get you a name off of a box. So that's this manufacturer right here. And right there, we got our Honda Civic condenser. Hey, yep, that was it. That's one for this car there. And so don't buy this shit distributed by these people, boxed in this garbage. So feel sorry for this customer, but of course your good neighborhood insurance company is thinking of their customers' best interest to keep your insurance premium rates low. They are taking care of you. All right, guys, all be well and bend over for your insurance companies and take it into you know where, because that's what the insurance companies do to you. While they smile at you and feed you bullshit advertisement and have excuses. Managers, supervisors, and bean counters sitting around the board, a table, those pathetic pieces of crap who can't get out here and repair the cars are down. They don't know what the parts actually, their function is when they actually have a physical mechanical function. They just sheet metal purdy, ship it out, collect money, and this poor customer. That's all I gotta say. Proof is in the opinion. Picture tells 1,000 words. Piece of crap. That's all. See you guys. This is what you get. Get what you pay for.